To remove a graphics card from your P520, first, ensure that all of your connections have been removed. Next, to open the side panel, press down on the handle and then lift up and pull. Inside the machine, the first step is to disconnect this power cable here. There's a small retention clip on the top of it that you will depress with your finger like this and then pull up. You might need to give it a little business. Okay, once that is removed, there is a second retention clip over here with the red line. You're going to pull up on the top of it like this and fold it to the side like that. Now, there is one more retention clip, and this one is very important, and it's also the hardest one to see. It's a black little clip down right here on my finger right here. And you just press downwards on it until it goes all the way down. Now, gently lift up on the card, don't force it, and it should just slide right out.